Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create an AI chatbot using ChatGPT. So, first of all, what I'm going to do is go ahead and open any kind of browsers that you have on your PC, and then go ahead and open OpenAI and open and click on try. Right after that, you go ahead and just for example, go and text hi. As you can see, it will answer me. So now what I'm going to do is, can you make me a simple bot? Okay, there are many ways to create a bot, and this approach will depend on what you want the bot to do, and here are some options you can consider. Use a bot building platform, there are multiple numbers, etc, 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 etc. These platform providers are user-friendly interface, building and deploying, etc. So we don't really care about that. This is for only the ones who want to learn how to make a bot. But now, can you make me a bot that answers or like make me an AI that answers simple questions like mathematical questions. So let's see now. Yes, I can help you create a simple AI that can answer mathematical questions. One way to do this is to use pre-trained language models such as GPT-3. You can use the Open API to access GPT-3 and build an AI that can answer mathematical questions. Another way is to use pre-built privileges, for example. So please let me know if you want any more. So can you make me an AI that I can chat with? Yes, I can help you create a simple AI chatbot. So here it is that you can interact with. As I mentioned before, there are several ways. So it will tell you how to make it and etc. So yeah, guys, that's how you can actually ask the AI. Basically, sometimes he will not provide you with the code itself. It will just provide you with like answers and information how to create one. But yeah, guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.